The issue is never the issue. The issue is always the revolution. And what that means is and this is a core principle of Alinskyism, that the way you view issues is always instrumental. Does it further the revolution? You may have noticed that even though there are something like 600 women's studies programs, which are basically political parties in the university organizing for feminism, there are no protests over the unbelievable abuse and oppression of women in the Muslim world. None. Ayaan Hirsi Ali, a courageous warrior against Islamic oppression of women. I asked her, I saw her last month in Philadelphia. I asked her if she's ever been invited to a women's studies department to talk about the oppression of women in Islam. And she said once, but it turned out that it was an American Enterprise Institute benefactor who was either a trustee at UC San Diego or whatever he was, and got her one talk in all these years. And that's because the issue is never the issue. Feminists are not about women. They're part of the left. They're about destroying American capitalism, or imperialism as they would prefer to call it. And they see the Muslim world and the jihad against us, however much they may deplore this or that tactic, as a movement for liberation from American oppression. The issue is never the issue. The issue is always the revolution. And therefore, you should understand that green jobs is not about the environment. What green jobs is about, it was having a communist, Van Jones, recruit an army of leftists at taxpayer expense. And believe me, it's still about that. And the healthcare system, it's not about delivering quality healthcare, the Obamacare. It's about control of everybody's life and also putting people on the payroll. Alinsky, actually there was one of the articles I used as a resource was a New Republic article by Ryan Leitza, who interviewed Alinsky trainers and people who had been trained by Alinsky himself. And they described to him how idealistic people, because the seduction of the left is these, wonderful social justice, peace, harmony, peace, jobs, and democracy. Just, so you get a lot of people in who are salivating to that bell, or those bells. And Alinsky used to say, why are you a community organizer? Why do you want to be a community organizer? And the answers would, to make the world a better place, to whatever, end racism. And he would scream at the person who said that. And said, no, you want to be a community organizer to get power. That's what it's all about, power.